Hi guys, and welcome back to Marantz Rantz. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. I want to tell you a story, and this is my Christmas story. Now, if you like this story, and if you like the channel, you like the information you're given, feel free to like and subscribe. This is a one-take session, no edits, no cuts, about the last 8 months. So exactly 8 months ago, it was Christmas. And if people don't know about my Christmas, I literally was wishing upon a star that people would actually watch the channel, get the information, and understand it. Why was I so discouraged? Well, my YouTube channel wasn't getting much traction. In the month of November, we had a net total of 15 new subscribers in the whole month. Because people were shadow banning, discrediting, dragging your name through the mud for speaking out against AMC, against Ape, against Bed Bath & Beyond, against a lot of things. So no one wanted to watch. So on Christmas Eve, I made a video. When I made that video, I went ahead and uploaded the video, and I went to bed that day. And when I woke up in the morning, miraculously, I had like 250 new subscribers, and thousands of views started pouring in. And I was like, wait a minute, did they finally understand what I was saying? I didn't understand that part. But I do now. I do know that now that people are catching on, and I'm going to play the clip from the video on Christmas right now. It has been exactly 8 months to the day, and you tell me just how close or how right we've gotten this. Enjoy.
Okay, they don't have to cover. So, Boss Blunts, let's go ahead and go back into the think tank. Let's think about that for a second, because you were wrong, just like everyone else, and I told you guys were wrong. Listen to me. They're not even caring about this short. They don't care the fact that it's going to go 10 to 1 the opposite way. Tesla was torn to shreds and the price was sky high. And you think that $60 a share is going to defend you. It has nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with your leverage. You don't have the leverage after they convert back the opposite way. What it does give is Adam Aaron enough juice on the table to go ahead and give himself a raise, send out some PSUs and RSUs tenfold. They're going to use this cash that they get right here to hold the books up for covenants on the senior notes so that they're allowed to still hand out bonuses for the next 2 to 3 years. And they're just going to sit here until 2026 when it is private equity that will sweep up this stock. Now, these guys who hold the bonds till 2026, ding, ding, ding. Why did I say 2026? Because that's when $3.3 billion is due. And Terra Credit Capital is part of that. You guys have to know what's happening here. He is selling it out right now. 20% of his company for 66 cents a share. And then when you tenfold that back, think about what everyone else paid for their shares. And I'm not talking about you, the investor. I'm talking about the actual hedge funds. I'm talking about Mudrick. I'm talking about Silver Lake. I'm talking about anyone who still holds shares in this company. They paid crazy amounts of money, and yet you just sold it off for I don't even know how much, 66 cents? That's crazy. But you tell me, Adam Aaron, you tell me how this makes sense to an actual investor and how it's benefiting investors. You can paint popcorn, you can paint credit cards, you can do merch, you can do it all. None of it's going to make you money. Because if that was all going to make you money, you don't do this deal. You sit back and you sit on, this Avatar money coming in, Wakanda money coming in, supposedly, and that's what's going to make you, a profit. But your business does not make a profit. It is run through offerings and it's leveraged. You're actually leveraging out all of your ownership so that you can ride off into the sunset because you already made money. A lot of these guys who work for these companies, guys, I'm talking about officers, CEOs, CFOs, everybody, they're just employees. They don't care about you. No, their job is to survive, make themselves a paycheck, and get the hell out. They don't care like you do. You might like the movies forever. Guys, shocker. AMC is going to be in business forever. Another 100 years. Doesn't mean that it's profitable. Doesn't mean that it's going to make you a profit. Just means the brand and the logo are going to be there, but someone else will own it. Someone else will own these for pennies on the dollar. And if you invested your life savings because you followed YouTubers, right? You followed Reddit guys and everyone else. And this is why I'm upset. I'm upset because I make these videos and do this homework. And I'm like, man, they're lying to them again and again and again. Hey, I was right 2 years ago. I was right last year. I was right 4 months ago. And I'm right today. Okay. And I don't want to be right. But I'm telling you, if you want to listen to a YouTuber, go listen to them. I'm a YouTuber as well. Listen to me. You're going to lose. And you're going to lose bad. Worse than you already have. And probably most of you already lost 80 to 90% of your investment. But then on the flip side of that, It's going to affect your family, your personal life, and everything else because you've allowed it to get this deep. It's not over, guys. It's not the end of the road. It's okay. You can recover, but it's not going to be on this investment. Stop listening to guys like Boss Blunts. They're playing with your money. They're making money off of you, and then that's what they're investing. AMC Bigums doesn't understand, or maybe he does finally, and he announces it this way, but he doesn't understand that his flawed point is there are no fundamentals behind this. And so now they took it from it's a short squeeze to now it's a fundamental play and we're going to pay off the billions and billions of debt. No one wants to buy this company's debt when it was $3 a share, $2 a share. They bought it at 66 cents a share and Adam Aron sold it at that much. Please know the difference, guys. There's a difference from raising capital during hard times and surviving than cash burning, making sweetheart deals behind your back, and doing what Apollo does, Blackstone, Mudrick, now Antura, and of course, Adam Aron. He's not on your side. That's what I see. Is it insider trading? I don't know. Gary Gensler, go figure it out. Do a probe. Somebody make some noise. Can't just be me and a mic and a camera, but nobody wants to do this. Nobody wants to be the bad guy in the crowd. I'll do it. It's fine. I'm not afraid of him. I'm not afraid of you. Any of you other people out there that want to push the ban button on Twitter like they have, and of course, come to my videos and say that I'm a shill. I'm not a shill. I do the homework like you. The only difference is I do it with my eyes open. Peace. Oh,
and I forgot the part.
Merry Christmas. Cowboys won.
There you go. Merry Christmas. The Cowboys won. So as you guys can see, we had it correct back then, 8 months ago. We have it correct today. And I think everyone has caught on. I hope. But for the guys out there thinking that this company's profitable or it's going to be great, just know the price you're going to pay for it right now is not nearly the price that they're going to pay. And I'm talking about private equity. They're going to buy out portions of this company, big percentage chunks, and they have their eyes on the prize. And what is the prize? Bankruptcy. It's coming. They're going to force it upon them. I don't care how much. Well, I do care. The minimal amount of money that they're going to raise over the next quarter via that 25 million share offering is going to bring this stock below $10. That is a $1 share prior to split. That's unfortunate. So good luck, guys. If you guys like the information, if you understand it, or if you don't, hang around, stick around. I'm going to go live right now, but I just wanted you guys to see the track record exists. It never changes. 8 months ago, we had it right. 2 years ago, we had it right. And today, we just say, I told you so. Peace.